Are you in the market for accessory for your gas grill? One that will make your gas grill be top notch when it comes to grilling, or should I say smoking? You are looking for that? Look no further. In the Monument Grills wood firebox. With this right here, you could turn this gas grill into a smoker. Smoke all the meats that you want. It's a perfect accessory for your gas grill. It sure is. But I'll tell you this also. It comes free. You heard me right. It comes free. This stainless steel firebox comes free. With any purchase on your Monument Grills website of $54.99, you will receive this stainless steel firebox for free. For free. Now, that is a great offer right there. You just can't beat that. And it goes with your purchase. You just can't beat that. Christmas is around the corner. This will be a perfect gift for someone that you care about. A perfect gift to help them get their gas grill smoking. Valid November 26th through December 5th. What are you waiting for? Get yourself this smoker box. Head on over to monumentgrills.com with the purchase of $54.99 at checkout. In the code, enter FreeSmokerBox and you'll receive this. So come on, this is perfect. Perfect for you, perfect for your friend, perfect family member. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself this right here.